How to turn on or turn off headphone notifications on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Audio and Visual. Next, we scroll down. Then in here, tap on Headphone Notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on headphone notifications. And that's it. It says here that to protect your hearing, iPhone sends a notification if you have been listening to loud headphone audio for long enough to affect your hearing. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.